Today, I wanted to unpack a topic that I got asked today actually in clinic, and it's one of the most common questions I get asked for patients who have neck pain or back pain. And that is, would a neck brace or a back brace work to help my pain? Is it something I should do? So, first of all, this discussion, this video is not necessarily for someone who has a fracture or some sort of unstable spine issue. For that, if you've been prescribed a brace by your doctor, those are essential. Those prevent you from having neurologic injury. That is an essential thing. That's not optional. And again, anything in this video is not meant to replace the advice of your physician, and it's not meant to be medical advice. It's meant to be guidance. In any case, the patients that I'm talking about are patients who just have some back pain or some neck pain just with everyday activities, and they ask, can a brace help? I think braces are a bit of a double-edged sword. So, on one hand, they can provide support. They can make you feel better, especially if you're having an acute flare of pain. The downside is that sometimes we become reliant on the brace. And so we stop using our own stabilizing muscles and we end up having muscle atrophy, weakness, or we kind of fade into poor posture once the brace is off. So the way I look at braces is not kind of a crutch that you want to wear for life. I look at it sort of as an ergonomic reset. So I know in my own experiences with back pain or neck pain, I've put on, let's say, a cervical collar. And what I find instantly is that the cervical collar restores my posture. I just did it there. It makes me sit up a little bit straighter, makes me keep things at eye level. And so wearing that for a few minutes just sort of reminds me, hey, this is the natural position of the neck. This is what it should feel like. Similar with a back brace. And what good back braces do is they increase your abdominal pressure. They force you to sort of suck in and sit up a little bit taller. And I think those are all good cues. And so if you use it here and there as sort of ergonomic reset, as a way to refine your posture, I think it's great. I also think that sometimes, especially if you have a job that involves a lot of lifting or twisting, or let's say you're at a computer all day and you want to put on the brace to give yourself a break when your muscles fatigue. That way, the muscles are doing the work and it's not wearing on your joints. I think that's a great idea too. But certainly relying on a brace and just wearing it long term, not sure it's a great idea. Again, if there's any question, I want you to talk to your physician or other healthcare professional about bracing. But thank you for listening.